Thanks for taking the time to learn about the Churchill County School District Strategic Plan. Goal 1 outlines how we will help students academically prepare for their futures. This goal takes a coordinated and focused effort to be successful. To be most effective, we've divided Goal 1 into 4 separate objectives. Objective number 4 highlights the work we're doing to identify and organize curriculums into continuums in a way that will benefit parents, students, and educators.
We are building exceptional learning pathways for our students in a format that is transparent and understandable for all stakeholders. We want everyone to have access to Churchill County School District Learner-Centered Framework outline. This document will establish what students in our district are expected to know and be able to do. It also creates choice and benefits for everyone involved.